Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working on a Porsche Cayenne. Now it doesn't matter if you have the V6 or V8 engine, guys, but if you're trying to find the fuse for the fuel pump, guys, stay with us and we'll show you where it's located. Now, bad news, you have two fuses. Okay, so if you expected one, okay, you have actually two fuses because we have two fuel pumps, one on the left side, one on the right. In addition, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. All we need in return, subscribe. All electrical videos will be on this channel. Okay, Electrical Car Repair Live. All other videos, guys, mechanical videos will be on our main channels. Water mechanics and auto repair, guys. Okay, and the electrical ones on Electrical Car Repair Live. So once you guys open your hood, okay, the fuses are located under the hood and you're going to see that cover right here. Okay, and you're going to twist right here so you can remove the cover. Pull it like that. Perfect. Now right here now, okay, let me show you. You have a fuse box. Okay, this is your fuse box and you have three things, okay, that will need to be unlocked like that. Okay, ours we didn't unlock them. Next, you need to pull that cover up. And now, guys, right here now, fuse number 13. Okay, fuse number 13 right here. This is the fuse for the right fuel pump. Okay, number 13 is the third one. Okay, so let me see now. Okay, 15, 14, 13, 15 amp fuse. So this one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. This is the right fuel pump. Number 14, guys. Okay, this one here. This is your left fuel pump. So these two fuses are the fuses, okay, for the fuel pump. So if you have problems, check those, guys. Also, we'll have the video about where to find the relay as well. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.